Dear writers, today we'll talk about one of the oldest and most powerful engines of storytelling. Two words that can shape your entire character arc: revenge and redemption. Every great male drama, from ancient epics to your favorite Pocket FM originals, revolves around this choice. A man is wronged, he's broken, and now he has to decide. Does he burn everything down or rebuild himself from the ashes? This dilemma isn't just about what your hero does, it's about who he becomes. And today, we're breaking down why this conflict works so well, and how you, as a writer, can use it to create male characters listeners can't forget. First, let's talk about revenge. Why do we love it? Because it's raw, it's personal. Maybe your hero wants payback so bad it eats him alive. Listeners can feel that urgency, the pounding heart, the edge-of-your-seat suspense as he edges closer to his enemy. Maybe the villain gets what's coming. Or maybe revenge burns your hero up from the inside. That's the real drama, right? Revenge isn't just action. It's emotion. It's risk. It's watching your listener root for your hero, even if they secretly fear he might go too far. In male-centered dramas, revenge usually comes with a risk-reward tension. Every choice could backfire. Every move could be a moral misstep. That's why it hooks us. We want to see, will he succeed? Will he fail? Will he cross a line he can't come back from? But hey, revenge isn't the only way to keep your listeners hooked. Redemption can flip the script too. Imagine your hero facing the truth, the mistakes, the losses he can't change. What if, instead of taking a life, he saves one? What if he lets go, even when it hurts? Redemption isn't soft. On audio, it's a gasp, a shaken apology, a powerful silence between words. Give your characters a chance to make it right, and you'll keep listeners hooked all the way. Redemption arcs work because they give hope. That even someone so deeply flawed can change. But there's a catch. Redemption is riskier in terms of storytelling. The audience could lose interest if the stakes don't feel high enough. But when done right, it hits hard emotionally. So here's the dilemma. How does a character, and by extension a story, decide between revenge and redemption? It comes down to what your story values. If revenge drives your plot, it's about action, power, payback, and pride. If redemption drives it, it's about emotions such as growth, forgiveness, and transformation. Both can be thrilling. Both can break your listener's heart. The trick is in the choice. Ask yourself, what does your hero want? Justice or peace? And what cost is he willing to pay for it? Because that cost, that impossible decision, is where great male drama lives. On Pocket FM, you'll notice how some of the most binge-worthy series use both. The hero starts out seeking revenge, but the real journey, the one that keeps listeners coming back, is his slow turn toward redemption. It's not about what he fights, but what he becomes. So as you write your male drama original, think deeply about, when your hero stands at the crossroads, does he raise the sword or lower it? A moment, that heartbeat of hesitation, is where your listeners will lean in, hold their breath, and feel everything. Because while revenge adds fire to your story, redemption gives it soul. Together, they make it unforgettable. Found this interesting? Hit the subscribe button to stay updated with new stories, hot tips, and fresh contests.